Actually, Nate Soldiers will not be facing Joezer the Bulldozer. I received by email his resignation once he found out that he had to face Joezer the Bulldozer once again. He quit for the second time in his career. Luckily, I had exactly 2 days to find a replacement that wasn't afraid to face Joezer the Bulldozer. And I did find his replacement. He's not scared of Joezer the Bulldozer. He's not scared of anyone. Or at least I don't think he is. There might have been a bit of a communication breakdown because I no habla español. His opponent, this is Macho! Three.
No, it was only 2.
That was 2, Joezer!
3, 2, 3. 2. Get him, Joezer! Two. Counting slow, Raph. Looking slow, too.
Keep it.